attempt to drive and videotape and shift. Oh, in a second. Which I'll probably be in the whole time. But yep, Winter Storm 16. Do a little dramatic effect in there for you. Just on my block, going up and down, fucking around in the snow, rolling stop signs, because really? Pretty cool though. Jeep's cutting through everything good. Jeep's a fucking beast as usual. I mean, it's wiggling around and shit, but it's kind of hard to make this U-turn and fucking hold the camera. It's fun though. I gotta get somebody to videotape me. Let's see, I gotta turn around here. Leave it in a second. Settle in a parking lot. Looks nice and paved. Give a little spin around. Okay, second seems to work fine. Spin around here. Spin around. Snow in the Jeep, one of my favorite things to do. I gotta turn the wipers back on now. This is fun though, man. Let's see, we'll meet up with Mark in a little bit. Check out the new XJ. One of the family. And get some GoPro footage. One more round and I'm done. Until later. I'm going through the hard stuff, the deep stuff, and cutting right through it. A little wiggly as usual. I mean, it's a Wrangler. That's what they do. They wiggle. Also holding the camera with one hand and driving with the other. And sorry about it getting fogged up here. Stupid delay wipers. Bob Kearns, baby. Thank you for the delay wiper, Mr. Kearns. The originator of the delay wiper. Blinking eye wiper. Bob Kearns. Fucking genius extraordinaire. This is awesome though. It's the only good thing about snow is I like driving through it. My neighbors think I'm nuts. I do this. I drive up and down the block, fucking doing donuts, spinning around. Turns. Just did this mess down here. I gotta back up. I think I'm in reverse. As the pig said, whee! Let's see. I'm gonna cut through this deep part. I'm gonna have to get the first gear. Smell a little clutch there. That wasn't good. Oh, those are my tracks. That's awesome. Really cutting through, man. Really cutting through. We get some good footage later. This is just a preview of what's to come. If I still have a clutch. For some reason the clutch is smelling. Just a little. I did start out in second on a hard part, so. Yeah, let's put some new tracks right here. There we go. Cutting through the hard shit. Pack shit. Snow plow. About close to 2 feet right there. I'm crashing my neighbor's brand new pickup. A fucking heart attack. That's good though. Alright. Just wanted everybody to get a little preview of what New York's like in this fucking crap. Canadians laugh at us, but hey, this is what it's all about. This is what we get. Oh, going in the deep part. Alright, I gotta get in. I gotta start driving, people. Talk to you soon.